This is a listing agent telling you about 2196 Greenpark. This is located in a neighborhood near the intersection of Avenida de los Arboles and Herbs Road, and it has a nice cul-de-sac location. I think you'll enjoy the tour and want to buy the home. You are going to be amazed with the size of this level backyard, and you will be full of ideas of how you can create your own paradise here. Another feature of this enormous backyard is having a view. When you're looking in the direction towards the east, you see hills in the distance. Here's a close-up of the hills that are beyond this residence. And think of the hills that you could traverse and keep in great shape, because many of the hills in Thousand Oaks will have walking trails. Off the kitchen and family room is a covered patio, and then that large window to the right is for showing you where the master bedroom is. So the master bedroom will have a great view for you to enjoy morning and night. Two of the backyard fences are block walls, so that makes minimal maintenance. And there are some tree stumps because the owners recently took away some of the trees. Now we're in the front yard. You can see that there's a sidewalk next to the cul-de-sac, so you can have an easy walk, and you then also have drought-tolerant landscaping. That helps on your water usage, and it also gives you an attractive setting for introducing your home. As you approach the home's front door, then you have an attractive green archway to introduce yourself to the patio before going to the front door. By the way, the roof on the home has been replaced. Here's an intimate setting near the front door where you can visit with friends without seeing who's walking on the cul-de-sac and listening in, and you can also have a good place to sit and read and relax. Upon entering the home, this is what you first see, the living room, complete with a fireplace, and the right curtain shows that there is a large window behind the sofa, so you can get a lot of natural sunlight. If it's a particularly cool evening or day and you want to have a fireplace, it's quite easy to start the fire in the fireplace with the gas starter. And there's an attractive mantel atop the fireplace, so you can save that space for mementos, flowers, or holiday decorations. Nearby is this dining area. So the dining area has access both to the living room as well as the kitchen that's in the rear of the photo. Now, this is a one-story with no inside steps. Many of our one-stories in Thousand Oaks will have a step-up entry, will have a step to another room in the house or something, but not with this floor plan. Adjacent to the home's kitchen is the family room, and a nice feature with it is that behind that curtain is access to the backyard. So you have a slider from the family room and kitchen area going directly into that huge backyard. Some of our homes will have kitchens with no windows that view the backyard, so you can't see what children or adults are doing in the backyard that you need to supervise. But here with this floor plan, you have an excellent view of what is going on in the backyard while you are preparing meals. The home has 4 bedrooms. The bedroom closest to the front door has been revised by a previous owner into an office. But with the master suite, you have 2 organized closets, and that's a nice feature. Another nice feature is that the master bedroom views the backyard. So whether you have this as your scene when you wake up in the morning or in the nighttime with the moonbeams, you see that huge special backyard, you've got a pleasing introduction to your bedroom. This home has 2 bathrooms, and right now we're viewing a portion of the central bathroom. That is a replaced vanity and commode, and then beyond is a tub shower combination. Now we're in a portion of the master bathroom, and that is a replaced vanity and also has a replaced commode. The master has a shower stall rather than a tub shower combination, and notice the neutral tiles that you have in this shower stall. One of the nice features of 2196 Greenpark is its superb location. It's near this enormous park that has recently been created in the city of Thousand Oaks, and it has such interesting sections of it. Like, this is for really skilled biking, and you can really have fun with these hills and your bicycle. Then there's this recreation of a different style in Sapwi Park. And around this park, you can go from one area to another with ease with its attractive hiking trails. Within the park is also a special area devoted to young children. This large park has access either along Herbs Road or along Avenida de los Arboles or along Westlake Boulevard. When you visit Sapwi Park, you can see this map, and then you can really appreciate all the interesting things you can partake of on a regular basis when you live in nearby Greenpark Court home. Another feature close to the neighborhood is the City of Thousand Oaks Library. This is a remarkable library. You will be impressed by its size and all the features that it offers the residents of the community.